Welcome to the Dentless Touch YouTube channel. If you're watching this particular video, it means it's your first time visiting us here on YouTube. Allow me to take a few moments and share our background. In 2009, we opened our doors, or should I say, gassed up our van, and began our journey providing paintless dent repair services to the DC metropolitan area. Just like a tree with the right nourishment, we have been blessed to have a steady growth, which allows us to have 4 locations and 6 technicians providing the highest level of service in the industry. My internal slogan has always been, we set the bar. Naturally, the industry has changed from the tools to different techniques, even B2C communications. Still, a good majority of the vehicle owners do not know what PDR is and its benefits, such as maintaining vehicles' value, keeping your factory paint, and saving massive repair time compared to traditional methods. And plus, no Carfax report. With a platform like YouTube, we are able to reach a broader audience, showing you the entire PDR process, whether you're a DIY person to a skilled technician. We strive to provide value in every video on this channel. Please sit back and enjoy the ins and outs of this unique art form. If you're looking to have one of our skilled technicians repair the damage on your vehicle, head over to our website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.